Here's a quick video on how to enter the new SGB COOT liquidity pool that is now open on FlareX, FlareFinance, okay? So I made a video on this in the past on how to stake your NFT, your cootiesnft, and now I'm going to be showing you how to, since they implemented this, how to stake. So you'll come to this site here, link will be in the description for this. Basically, if you've been having it staked, you'll click claim rewards right there. There you go. And I'm using MetaMask for this. Then you're going to come over to FlareX because it's a liquidity pool comprised of SGB and COOT, so we need a 50-50 ratio. So we're going to ensure we have that 50-50 ratio. Okay. So firstly, what I'm going to do is trade my COOT into SGB to simplify things for myself. Okay. Gotta approve it. Okay. That's approved. Now we're going to swap COOT to SGB. Confirm. Okay, now that I have all my SGB, I'm going to do a 50-50 ratio. Actually, I'm going to do a 48. So I have some extra for SGB fees. Let's go to that. 48, 46, 48. Okay. So it's going to be 29 SGB to 19 COOT. Confirm. All right, that's complete. Now we go to the liquidity section of FlareX and find our COOT and SGB liquidity pool. We found it. We're going to provide liquidity. Do the 100%. Provide. Confirm. From there, you go over to Flare Farm. Find the pool. Press allow. Now that we've found it, approve. And you'll click start staking. And we have 24 total tokens. And the thing about this is you're going to be earning COOT, not SFIN with these pools. That COOT can be, immediately turned into more LP tokens to restake in this pool, but it could also be turned into maybe XFI to stake in some other pools that you're maybe interested in. But or the COOT could be staked or converted right into like SGB or XFI, which you can then send to Bitrue to convert into like a currency, a fiat currency like USD, US dollars. So this could just be like a simple stream of revenue for you. I'm just going to accumulate as much COOT as I can just to kind of see what it's worth. But that's pretty much it for this. Pretty simple. And any questions, let me know.